Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now I know I haven't uploaded in a while, but I was working on a game and I did want to share with you guys, see what your opinions are, so I thought it would be cool. Um I find the game pretty cool. I'm not sure what you guys think. It's based on Minecraft. However, I want the default game to be like modded Minecraft with like technology and survival aspects rather than just chop tree down, kill ender dragon. Um, I just started working on it like 2 days ago. Oh, and it's gonna be isometric. Here are some of the tiles I made. Don't worry about these for debug. And this is the palette. I have one, two, three, four, five, six, seven. I have eight. Sorry, 8 tiles. Great. And these are some of the files I have. So yeah, let me show you what I have. So I wanted the game to have a unique twist to it. So yeah, I'm gonna show you the twist. You can scroll between the layers, which is the Y or Z axis, whatever you like to call it. And yes, I have implemented a mechanic to build. You can destroy blocks, and you can. This is the unique part about my game. When you scroll through the layers, let me destroy this on the second layer. As you can see, I'm layer 9, and then I go back up to the first layer. It should. This is the bottom layer, as you can see. So if I draw something on, wait, let me switch tiles. So if I draw something on the layer 9, it should show up on layer 10. Yep, there it is, showed up on layer 10. So this is what I want the game to have, a unique twist to it. Um, yeah, I hope it's a good idea. Scrolling between layers, and yeah, seems kind of fun to me. Anyways, I'll catch you guys next time. See ya.